Mastering English, Understanding, Front Row. Hello, English enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special topic to discuss: the phrase, front row. We often hear this term in different contexts, but what does it really mean? Let's dive in together and find out. The phrase, front row, is quite straightforward when we look at its literal meaning. It refers to the first line of seats or the closest position in relation to a stage, a screen, or any point of interest. You might hear it in contexts like concerts, theaters, classrooms, or sports events. For example, I got front row tickets to the concert. Here, it highlights the exclusivity and prime location of the seats. Moving on, front row can also be used in a more metaphorical sense. It can describe having a direct or unobstructed view of an event or situation, even if there are no literal seats involved. For instance, if someone says, "I had a front row seat to their argument," it means they were able to witness the event closely, not that they were sitting in an actual seat. The phrase can also be part of idiomatic expressions. A common one is, front row seat to something, implying that one has a clear and direct experience of an event or situation, often with the connotation of it being a rare or significant occurrence. To help you understand better, let's go through some example sentences. 1. Being a photographer gives me a front row seat to capture life's most amazing moments. 2. The students who sit in the front row tend to get better grades. 3. Having a beach house gives you a front row view of the sunrise every morning. And there we have it. We've explored the various meanings and uses of the phrase, front row. Whether it's the literal front line of seats or a metaphorical clear view of an event, this phrase is versatile and adds depth to our language. I hope this video helps you in understanding and using front row confidently in your daily conversations. Don't forget to practice, and as always, happy learning.